Hare Krishna, my obeisances to Mukunda Goswami and all his wonderful associates. When I read Miracle on 2nd Avenue, I read the one book that actually took me back to what it was like for Prabhupada to get off the boat, the Jaladuta, and just figure out what to do. Prabhupada, when he came here, didn't know to turn left or right off the gangplank, didn't know where to stay after Butler, Pennsylvania, and wasn't even sure how to get to Butler. But he figured it all out, did the needful, and depended on Krishna. Mukunda Goswami has emulated that mood of Prabhupada since I have known him. He has always figured out innovative matters, be it ISKCON communications, to how to take care of disciples and how to manage projects. He has always followed in Prabhupada's footsteps by just being innovative and depending upon Krishna. In his Anjalila adventures, he's looking at very serious environmental issues and where is that going to take us. Since I'm the director of the Bhaktivedanta Institute, I actually look forward to working with Mukunda Goswami in a very personal way. So on this special anniversary, I offer my obeisances at his footsies and wish you all very well. Hare Krishna.